Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to export transaction history from Sparrow Wallet. If you're serious about Bitcoin self-study, you've probably heard about Sparrow Wallet. It is a powerful desktop Bitcoin wallet built for the privacy, transparency, and advanced control. Many users love it for the features like coin control, custom fees, hardware wallet integration, and detailed transaction tracking. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how do you export transaction history from the Sparrow Wallet. So first you need to launch your Sparrow Wallet in your device, and after that when you get into this interface of your Sparrow Wallet, you'll see this complete transaction history. In the left hand side, you need to go to this transaction tab, and over here you'll see the complete transaction history including your dates, transaction IDs, amounts sent or received, confirmation status, balance changes, and make sure all the transactions are visible before exporting. After that, you'll see a file once you click into this transaction here, and after that you'll see export transaction. In some versions you can right click inside the transaction list and choose the export, and after that you can choose a file format and choose where to save the file on your computer, and after that you can save it. And that is how you can export transaction history from the Sparrow Wallet in just a couple of minutes. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.